guys, Little Jalen back on another video with Sub-Zero. Next to me, we are riding school on our awesome bikes. Me and Robert, well, technically I just beat people in another race. I don't know if you guys know, but kind of, I am the race king with this other kid, Matthew, Sub-Zero over here, our other friend, Janari, and Joshua. And who else is there? Huh? Dutson. And Dutson. Wait, I haven't seen him in a while. I know. Seems like Matthew's coming up on our tail. Bye, Matthew. Why are you in the road?
So he can pass us.
Yeah, so we are recording a video.
Hey, pass it over.
Hold up. So right now we are heading home. How long are we? Oh yeah, you want to hear my time for the circle track? For the circle track, I did the best time. And then for the straight long track, I did the second best time. So for the circle track, I did a 14.73 second in one try. Robert did, what did you do, Robert?
18.6.
Yeah, Robert did a 18. Oh! Oh! No! Oh! Oh! Oh, what the heck? Stop spraying! Oh! Oh! Guys, I just got sprayed. Holy shit! Come on!
Hey guys, anyway, next Friday, I'm going to make a live stream video. Comment down on this video what game I should play and what game Jalen should play. Don't forget to leave a like. What? What? Oh. No?
Guys, I just got sprayed. Heck of much too. So don't forget to leave a like and comment, stuff like that, and
smash that subscribe button.
my freaking eyes, freaking lawnmowers. Why today? The day after record videos, stuff happens. Okay, it's over. They are moving away. So we're riding home. Robert, what was your time again? Yours was, yeah, Robert's speed time was 18.6. Mine was 14.73. I did the best time on the circle track. And, what was it? Janari's was 16.50. And Matthew's was 15.20. No, Matthew did 15.50. Janari did 16.24. My eyes! Not again! So yeah, we didn't have Dutson or Joshua with us today. We should actually start recording our races. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Show how Race King right here wins a lot. And then on the what is it, the straight drag track, Matthew, he did 18 point, what was it?
6.
18.6. I did 24 point.
No, I forgot.
Whatever, I did 24 seconds. And Janari did 24 seconds point 9?
No, he did 28.90.
No, what, the second time?
He did 28.90.
24. Remember he started too far back.
Okay, but when he got to me, that's the time he got.
I know, but the actual time was supposed to be 24 point something, so.
Well, that's what he got. It's what he did.
So yeah, Matthew did the fast time, but then when we raced, I won, obviously. Robert didn't race because we only had 3 bikes at the time. Joshua needs to get his bike fixed. Dutson doesn't know No, Joshua did. Joshua's usually the guy that comes in second and third. Matthew comes in second and third. Jannar usually comes in fourth or fifth, and you usually come in fourth or fifth. Actually, no, one time you did come in second and third. So, yeah, we've been hanging out, doing our stuff. I don't know why we're sitting here exactly. The line is clear. Go. Don't hit us. And go. So yeah, we might end the video here. We are almost home. Just way down there is where we gotta go. Hey Robert, you wanna race?
Hold on, give the phone to me.
Why?
I wanna do it. Let me end it.
Huh?
Let me end it.
Okay. Goodbye!
Hold on, before I end this, guys, this is Jalen's moose scream. Alright. Now goodbye.